Hello, good morning! Today is our last day dito sa Paris. Biyahe na namin mamayang hapon, mga 6. But anyway, mag-check out na kami ngayon kasi hanggang 12 lang usually yung mga hotel. So, ang gagawin namin, iiwan muna namin yung mga luggage namin dito sa lobby. So, check out and then iwan yung luggage sa lobby. Tapos, mag-ikot-ikot muna siguro. So, mamayang hapon pa yung biyahe. Maaraw naman, so I think okay lang maglakad-lakad. Sila Jonah, meron pa silang dinaanan na store. Meron pa silang bibilhin. So, nauna na sila. Tapos, ganoon din, nag-iwan din sila ng luggage nila sa baba. Tapos, balikan na lang mamaya kapag bago magbiyahe. Yeah, okay na. Sobrang sikip ng, ang sikip ng room. Ang hirap maggalaw-galaw. Ang hirap magligpit. Hindi pa namin mabuksan ng maayos yung luggage. But anyway, we're done. Na-close na namin yung dalawang luggage. Kahit na medyo struggle. Yan, suot ko, sweater. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, dito na kami sa May City. And nakahanap kami ng cafe para umupo, magpainit. Sorry ang ingay. But anyway, yan yung pangalan ng coffee shop. Midori. Yan. Nag-order kami ng itong, ano pangalan nito? Flan. And this is creme brulee. Try namin both. Mukhang masarap eh. And then, nag-order kami ng tig-isang coffee. Hintayin lang natin yung coffee natin. Ayun na pala.
Ano yung itsura?
Yummy. Ganap kami ng pang-lunch sana. So, ang hirap mag-decide. So, sabi ko parang gusto ko ng kape. Naganap na lang siya ng coffee shop. Kain tayo, guys. Makapal eh. Sobrang kapal. Nililibot-libot lang kami guys. Umuulan sa labas. So, hindi kami makapag-gala. Pumasok lang kami dito sa parang, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Kasi may mga shops, iba-iba. May music. Pumasok muna kami para magpainit and sumilong. Kasi umuulan. Yan yung mga gusto mo, yung may tenga eh. Ito may salamin. Try. Try it. Gusto niya yung ganitong may pero laking tulong yan, yung may sa atin.
Basta takpan ng tenga yun.
Yes. Uy, they have Instax here.
May ganang pumping, may dala kang sariling telescope.
gevoelige rookreceptoren. We vragen dan ook om niet te roken of elektronische sigaretten te gebruiken. Dank u. We willen ook graag dat iedereen een comfortabele en ontspannen reis kan hebben. We raden daarom aan om hoofdtelefoon of oortjes te gebruiken als u naar video's kijkt of muziek luistert. De ruimte tussen het rijtuig kan u gebruiken voor lange telefoongesprekken. Voor uw gemak zijn er in veel van de toiletten aan boord voorzieningen om baby's te verschonen. Rotterdam Central, Schiphol Airport en Amsterdam Central. I am Roga and together with Moreno we are your train managers today. We are pleased to assist you through your journey so you can easily identify us by our green line yards. As you walk-
She really would like
Mochi.
maybe end it with some kind
Kami,
of,
ayaw ko na. Eh, sige nga. So fluffy.
May stuffed toy. May stuffed toy na tumatayo. Down. Yan, very good. Pag 9 p.m. na lahat, all residents na nagkaroon ng party. Kasi masutulog na sila eh.
Kaya nga, bakit naman? Dapat ganun, pero dito hindi. Bawal talaga. Hindi mo pwedeng park ang lulay.
Ayan, yung malalaki.
Yan yung snowflakes.
Ganda.
Tapos feeling old, ano dito sa kapitbahay mo sa old boat. Yung boat nila dyan, parang mukha ka tuloy vintage. Ayan na!
Ayan na talaga siya.
Ayan na! Tapos sa mo dito. Snowflakes na. Ito na yung snowflakes. Wala ka ba gawin? Ang dami dito dapat.
Ang lamig. Malamig.
Papunta na ho kami ng Kalapan.
Kalapan na ho, aray, nakikita niyo ho yan. Ayaw, dadaong na. Dadaong na ng Kalapan Pier. Nay, malapit na kami dyan. Correct. Hi guys.
here.
It's snowing.
Snowing again in Amsterdam.
Every time we check or I'm on audition. So I'm not I get to be in the photo. Something else in the way.
Shouldn't rush things, you know I know that. But it's kinda hard when it's something that I want so bad. I'm second guessing what I was sure of. Secretly inside I'm dying, emotionally violent. So tell me what the hell am I doing? I don't know. Want it too much, we lose it so fast. What you try to control never seems to last. It feels criminal, hypocritical. But I can change it, do what I'm feeling. I just pretend like I don't even really see it.
What's this?
Oh,
Wine?
Wine.
parang...
You give yours.
Punch.
Oo.
What?
Kids punch.
Mama heeft het alcohol.
That's for you, Sean. Not for me.
Oh, me.
Ja.
I also have.
Sean, pwede bang yung upuan? Dito mo na ilagay.
Mochi, glass.
Tayo.
I'm gonna sit
Yeah, here's something you can...
Here. Where? Dito ka lang.
No, it's fine na. It's fine. There's something you will sit here.
Ah, okay.
No, Santi and Danny will sit beside each other because they will talk in English. No more English. Ay, di mo palit kayong dalawa. Let's change.
No, exchange with the...
Okay, link up here. Uy, ayan lang.
But I have to sit here, so...